Hello everyone, today me and Joe from Moments of the Magic, I'm losing my voice, are gonna go build some lightsabers here in Galaxy's Edge. Let's do this thing. We got this handy dandy little boarding pass along with a pin. Joe, show us your pin. Oh yeah, he's got elementals and I got protection.
Those blue credentials right at the top and blue up there also.
I see you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may simply call me Kimbe. Now to some of you, this may look like old junk. Let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. What we find, well, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past and ensure future. We have been waiting for you. You've heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
We hear that there is another, a new Jedi. What was her name?
Rey.
Rey. Yes, Rey. What she is leading is a spark of hope that we have been waiting for. And that is why you are here. To look ahead. To build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build the lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its glow, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. You may know these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue, the crystal of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And of course, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future. Now it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, please, close your eyes. Close your eyes, picture it in your mind. What color do you see? What color calls to you? Remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. You have chosen your crystal. Now go ahead, place the crystal in the green crystal holder in front of you. We will join your crystal with the lightsaber designer. We will begin building the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of control, also the button of command. Now we are placing before you the components that you will need. Now in front of you, you will find the chassis, activation plates, grips, emitters, and pommel caps. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your crystal, you will select each part that will make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to guide you on your path. Should you need assistance, I'll be happy to help you. Now everyone, are you ready?
Right here in the very center of your chassis. We want it to twist without falling out. Okay? Next, you'll choose one pre-matched set of activation plates on your far right-hand side. One set of plates. Very good. Shove it down on your switch. Other side. Alright, so we are going to do one pre-match set. Choose both of these or both of those. And we'll match your activation plate. We're going to choose any two of your red and blue. Perfect. So now you're in section 3. We have two options of hollow emitter pieces. Complete your build. We'll do one final check. Mind if I do one final check for you? Yeah. So it says activate. All you're going to do is slide it out and then down to deactivate, okay? I'm going to place it right there and I'll get this out of your way. Congratulations, baby.
We came. A little bit different than to the otherwise.
I like it.
Yeah.
Because it's yours.
Yeah.
It's not something.
Yeah.
Much better. There we go. Excellent work. Well done. You have all completed your builds, and nothing unexpected or dramatic has happened. Because why would it? Which leads me to the most dangerous part of the process. Builders, leave your completed hilts on your station and step back. Gatherers, please. Now the gatherers are placing your hilts in the crystal stabilization chamber. This requires lots of skill and experience. There may or may not have been an accident at this station that I may or may not have caused. But I don't like to dwell. Moving forward, we are going to... What is going on?
Well done. Chosen the parts with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. Builders, we have reached the final stage of the process. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, and on my signal, you will step forward. Place your hand on your hilts, and we will activate together. Are you ready? Step forward. Place your hand on your hilts and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Ah, complete your lightsaber. light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new sabers, we are pleased to present to you saber sheaths as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we might be telling your story. Fill the spire.
Till the fire.
Oh yeah! Wait, I gotta turn mine on. There we go. Joe, what'd you think of it?
It was awesome.
That was really cool.
Definitely gonna have to do it again.
You're like in Star Wars. That was so cool. Okay, as always, thank you to Joe from Moments of the Magic. Make sure you go check out his page. And also, if you're not following us right here already, make sure you go like this page as well. Until next time, we'll see you guys all a little later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.